Hi everyone, it's Kelly here from EasyStore, and today I'll be teaching you how to set different shipping rates for different shipping zones. And of course, this is with the assumption that you have already liaised and agreed on the best rate with your logistics provider, and what you want to do now is to add this information here so that when your customers check out and key in their address, the shipping rates will be automatically applied based on their locations. So one of the most basic shipping zones set up for many Malaysian businesses is between East Malaysia and West Malaysia. As we all know, the shipping rates are very different when we ship to customers from these two areas. Alright, so now I'll be setting up the shipping fee for West Malaysia region. So for example, I've decided that I'm going to charge them 10 ringgit shipping fee. So no matter if they order from Perlis, KL or Johor, the shipping fee will be a flat rate of RM10. So let's get started. Alright, so once you're logged in, we want to go to settings and then we want to go to shipping. Alright, so once we're here, what we want to do is to click on the add zones and rate. Alright, so once we're at this page, we want to give this zone a name. So as I'm creating this zone for West Malaysia, I'll just put in West Malaysia. And in my countries, I will just put in Malaysia. And I'm gonna click the drop down here that says sub-regions. And I'm going to untick Labuan, Sabah and Sarawak, as this is only for West Malaysia region. Alright. So in my next section, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on flat rate per order. And I'm also going to give this shipping name the same, West Malaysia. Display logo is optional, so depending on which logistics provider you use, you can choose, but I'm just going to leave it here. And I'm going to charge them 10 ringgit as mentioned. And there are also 3 other settings here that you can choose. So one would be the cash on delivery or free shipping if they meet a certain minimum spend, or even some handling fee that you will charge them on top of the logistic shipping fee. So in terms of this app integration section, as I've already integrated EasyParcel into my EasyStore account, what this feature does is that when a customer from West Malaysia makes an order and has already made their payment, what I will need to do is actually just go to my orders and fulfill it with EasyParcel. So what this means is that the whole process from customers placing an order to shipping is already streamlined. What I will need to do at the end of the day is to check which orders I need to fulfill with EasyParcel. Alright, and in terms of the package size, I would recommend you to refer back to your logistics provider's guide and of course their requirements for the weight and dimensions. Alright, so once that's done, let's head all the way up and click on that save button. With that, we have successfully created a flat rate of RM10 for any orders that will be shipped to the West Malaysia region.